Students, this is Mrs. Nelson. Some of you in your homeroom tab, it's pretty cluttered. Same with subjects, it's pretty cluttered because you have courses either from where you've enrolled in person first before you switch to Canyons Online, or some of them are older courses from March 2020 when everyone was making courses for Canvas that didn't necessarily exist and adding students. A lot of times the old stuff from when you were in the grade before, so like if you were in 7th grade and now you're in 8th grade, all the things that you're automatically enrolled in usually get cleaned out, but there are some that don't get cleaned out. And so I want to show you how you can change what that appearance looks like so that you are only seeing the courses that you're taking in Canyons Online, or if you're also enrolled in an elective course at your neighborhood school, that one can still show up as well. So you come over here to subjects, and then you're going to scroll all the way down and click all subjects. And you can choose which ones are displayed on your homeroom by clicking on that star and filling that star in with color. So you need your 8th grade science course, you need your ELA 8th grade, you need your math 8th grade, and you need your US History 8 with Shepherd. So those are the 4 classes that you're taking with Canyons Online. So you put a star next to those. If one of these is an elective that you've signed up for in person, like maybe business digital literacy is an elective that you've signed up for at your local middle school that you're taking in person, then you can put a star next to that as well, so it'll be in your homeroom tab. But now that I've done that, I go back to this student's homeroom, and you'll notice that they only have, we're missing a class. Let's go back down here. What did I forget? I have science, ELA, oh my gosh, how did I miss math? Math's my course. So I gotta click on Math 8th, this one's mine. Another thing that you can check to see, is this a new course or an old course, is to check the year. So if this is something from March 2020 that somebody had made to enroll you in, you'll also see that as well. That'll help you realize, oh yeah, that's an older course, I don't need it anymore. So I'll come back here to homeroom, and now I have science, ELA, math, and history only on my homeroom. So that way it's easier for me to track what I'm doing and getting into the courses that I really need to be in. And I can see for this student, he's missing 6 assignments in 8th grade science, 13 in math, 12 in US history so far. So these are deadlines that have come and passed, and the student has not turned in that work. Also, I pointed this out in a previous video, you need to be clicking into this inbox right here. This student has 6 unread messages. This is where your students are going to communicate with you. Your students, your teachers. Your teachers are going to communicate with you through Canvas inbox. So if there's something that you need to know, or if there's a prompt of, hey, the reason why I didn't grade this for you is because you're missing this part, that's going to be in the Canvas inbox. Or if we need to announce something, that's going to be in the Canvas inbox as well. So you need to be checking those and keeping that clear so that you have 0 unread messages, so that there is no pop-up right here, that you're aware of what it is that your teachers are trying to communicate with you. So again, to shorten the number of courses you have on your homeroom, click on subjects, click on all subjects, and then click only to fill in the stars for the ones that you want to show up on your homeroom. Everything else is still available, so you can still come into each of these other courses if you want or need to, but only those ones that you are most critically using are going to be on that homeroom screen, making it a lot easier for you to get your required work done. Thanks for learning with me.